She often initiates these conversations, and when conversations break down, she's not getting what she wants, then she files a motion for contempt and does not include her part in these conversations.
Dad gave Mom a gift. It was a heart, and there was a poem inside of it.
Rebecca Aldrich versus Mark Aldrich.
Court will note the appearance of Mr. Todd on behalf of plaintiff, Ms. Podolsky on behalf of defendant. This matter is before the court on the plaintiff's motion for contempt, and the defendant has filed an answer. You did receive the answer, Mr. Todd?
I have, Your Honor.
Okay. Anything else that you'd like to add, Mr. Todd?
Your Honor, I will largely rely upon my motion, but even since we filed this motion, there have been substantial issues. On December 24th, Mr. Aldrich gave my client a gift, which was a heart stating "to my wife." The card attached, or the box attached, stated "2 honey buns from I will," and there was a poem inside of this gift. Additionally, there have been consistent messages outside of Our Family Wizard and outside of the scope of relating to the child. For example, there were substantial messages on January 9th about Mr. Aldrich's Bible study and asking why my client is ripping the family apart. We have tried to resolve this peacefully and tried to prevent it from going to this point, but I don't think this is just not resolving itself. So we are respectfully requesting he be held in contempt. We're respectfully requesting attorney fees for having to file this motion.
Thank you, Your Honor. As we've stated in our response, the plaintiff in this matter is not telling the court the complete truth. She often initiates these conversations. They are often not about the child. They have been about mediation, resolving issues. And when conversations break down, she's not getting what she wants, then she files a motion for contempt and does not include her part in these conversations. I liken it to the behavior in a PPO. You can't get a PPO against somebody and then initiate that contact and ask that the PPO be violated. That's exactly what's happening here. She's calling, she's texting, she's using Our Family Wizard, but not including those sides of the conversations in her motion. We mediate this case on Thursday. We have repeatedly asked for co-parenting counseling so these parties can get on the same page with parenting their minor child. This is a family with deep spiritual roots. They are trying to guide their child spiritually in her religion through this very difficult time. My client has simply been trying to explain to the plaintiff what he's trying to do as a parent, how he's been feeling, how his brain works in these conversations when she gets angry with him because she's not getting what she wants. And then when he tries to explain this to her, she gets upset and files this motion. We do not believe that there should be any sort of contempt because this is just simply two people who are unfortunately going through a divorce. They're trying to navigate this process, having not done it before. And this is just simply not a case for contempt here, especially with plaintiff's actions not telling the court the complete truth. So we're asking the court to deny the request in its entirety, award costs and attorney fees, and we'll proceed forward with mediation on Thursday.
Well, it looks like you need to proceed on mediation on Thursday, but court does note that it does appear that there are disputed issues in this particular case that need to be addressed and to be again flushed out at that particular time. So we'll contact both of the offices and set a time for a hearing in this particular matter if you're not able to resolve things at mediation. Yep. Anything else, Mr. Todd?
Your Honor, do you need me to prepare an order, or will the court just set that?
No, we'll just set the matter for a hearing and be in touch with both of you.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well.